In 60 seconds, you can open your third eye with the law of attraction techniques, and it's powerful just by pressing on one spot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open your third eye and pineal gland with this law of attraction technique. Hey Outlaws, this is Marcus Birks from marcusbirks.com, and I help people tap into no-nonsense law of attraction. We are the outlaws of attraction. Reshape your life and create a world that you design. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell notification so you never miss a video. Go and smash that like button. Let's get right into it. How to open your third eye and pineal gland with this law of attraction technique. Chinese medicine and alternative therapy has been around for thousands of years, using pressure points and acupuncture. Now, in some ways, I want to argue, is it alternative medicine? Because some of this alternative medicine that's been around for thousands of years has been around for thousands of years. That's been around for longer than modern day medicine. It's no secret that the ancient civilizations depicted the third eye globally. So when you press in this one place, you can use the body's energy channels to help open the third eye. By activating your pineal gland, you enhance the power of your visualization. You enhance the law of attraction and the secret working for you. You help to see more clearly. Remember, if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. So what I simply want you to do is I want you to press here for about 60 seconds, just above the eyebrows and between the middle of your forehead. So it is kind of this point right here. And I want you to press firmly, but not too hard to hurt yourself at all. But press firmly so you know you can feel that you are pushing there and you can feel the pressure within inside. And then close your eyes. And when you close your eyes, I want you to put one hand on your heart and I want you to imagine breathing into your heart. And I want you to imagine connecting your heart and the pineal gland as you look up. And just take some time to focus on looking up towards the pineal gland, putting the pressure, connecting the heart and pineal gland and mind together, and imagine the energy flowing together between the two places. As you're doing this, you might notice that you can see colours and see light. And after this video is finished, you might continue to see colours and lights more vividly. The reason for this is because the body is just made of energy channels. Just in the same way as Tai Chi, you are channeling the energy throughout your body. And the pineal gland and this part is a very, very powerful energy source in the body's channels of energy. So putting pressure on this part of your body is accessing a very powerful part of the human body. After doing this is a good time to start using your visualizations. The way that I do this is I visualize the things that I want to happen in my day, I visualize the things that I want to happen in my week, and then I visualize the things that I want to happen over the next 5 years and 10 years, and just try to imagine myself really in that moment. I imagine myself living in that dream home in the south of France. I imagine my Ferrari parked outside, my wife's Jeep Wrangler parked outside. I imagine lying in my backyard with the sun shining down, looking over the ocean with my dogs running around and just feeling good about life, knowing that I'm going to go back home and visit family and in my dream home back home in the UK, and just putting myself into that moment as if it's really happening, as if it's there. And I want you to do that for you. What is it for you? Think about the things that you truly want in your life, and don't have any limits on this. What if it's something that you truly want in your life? Just have fun with it. Imagine yourself being there in that moment as if it's really happening right now. The things you want in your week, the things you want in your day, the things you want in your 5 years and 10 years and into the future of your life. Sometimes I imagine myself on my 100th birthday looking back at all the things that I've done and talking to people around me and telling them all the things that we did on our journey through life. Just do these things, because that is the way of kind of seeing this timeline that we create as humans, that we are limited by time, but we're part of something just much bigger. So just use that imagination, use the power of the universe, use the power of you as a human spirit. I can't express to you how powerful visualization is. And by using visualization after using the technique to open the pineal gland and third eye, it makes it even more powerful and puts you into that higher vibration. Put yourself into that state of where you can use visualization to start to manifest the things that you want into your life. And realize this, when you couple visualization with taking action and then looping that round with your true desires. So if you've got a desire desire, you take action, and then you really believe in that desire and in taking that action, then looping that around, then that is what creates the manifestation of the things that you want to come into your life. You can't just use the visualization. You can't just take the action. You can't just have the desire. All of these things need to work together in unison. It's just like a well-oiled machine. You've got to have the desire. You've got to then take action on that desire. And then you've got to believe in everything that you're doing, because that triangle of things loops everything back together. And if you take away one of those things, then you take away one of the strengths, and it breaks the chain, it breaks the cycle. So I want you to realize that. Have the true burning desire, and then take drastic action towards making that desire happen, and then truly believe that you can make it happen. They are the key 3 elements to making no-nonsense law of attraction work for you. Now, we all know this. We are part of something special, but you have to make them things work for you. Even though you are part of this amazing thing, you still have to be tapped into the right vibration, the right energy. And what I mean by saying the right vibration, the right energy, I believe we are part of energy and vibration sources. But let's take it into a basic term. If you have a desire for something but you're not willing to take the action, then that in itself is not being in the right mind frame. So let's see the mind frame as the vibration. If you then do have the desire and you are taking action but you don't believe in it, then you don't believe in it. So the universe is just going to say, well, you've got the desire, you're doing something towards it, but you don't really believe it. So why would it come to you? So, just taking away one of those things just takes the things away. And if you don't have the desire in the first place, then obviously you won't take the action and you won't have the belief anyway. So make sure, I'm going to drive it home to everybody, you have a burning desire. You take absolute massive action towards the things that you want, and you really, really believe in it. No matter how tough it might seem, no matter how many people doubt you, no matter what. Because listen, we can be anything that we want to be in this life. You know that you are already a miracle. Being a human being on planet Earth right now is a miracle in itself. So just make sure that you go out there and make the most of your experience, being infinite energy, experiencing human form as part of this universe. You are connected to something absolutely unbelievable. So realize we're all part of something absolutely amazing with infinite possibility, and go and use this to use your power to manifest. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, go and click the bell notification so you never miss a video. Go and smash that like button and make the law of attraction work for you. Once again, this is Marcus Birks from marcusbirks.com with no nonsense law of attraction to reshape your life and create a world that you design.